everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I am going to do a haul or a review of Temu. We all know Temu as an online shop. They contacted me asking me if I wanted to review their product and also wanted to give me the chance to join their affiliate program. And I was like, I don't mind because I have tried their product and I actually loved what I got. They were what I expected it to be. I selected some items and they shipped it to me. So before I go to the haul, I will want to talk about Temu. What is Temu? So Temu is basically a very low, ultra affordable online marketplace, and they carry everything from household decor, cleaning products, fashion items to children's toys and many more. So now I will be introducing the affiliate program of Temu. So Temu affiliate program is only for US based customers, UK based customers, Canadian based customers, and also Mexican based customers. So if you are from UK, Canada, Mexico, and the US, you can actually join the affiliate program. So the affiliate program has been out there for a while, and they've cooperated with over 30,000 influencers, and the influencers have actually made over $1 million revenue. The Temu affiliate program, you will get a coupon code or a coupon link for your affiliate account, which my one will be in the description box below. And when you click on it, you will get some goodies. Very good. As I said, the benefits of the affiliate program will be down in my description box below, and the login link, the registration process, I will leave everything there. And when you join the affiliate program, you can actually earn up to $150,000 a month. And I know a lot of you viewers will be wondering, it's $150,000 a month? Yes, it depends on how many people click on your affiliate program to buy from Temu. So the more people clicking on your link to buy, the more money you get. You get up to 20% bonus or 20% profit of the app. Let's move on to the main reason why we came here. So the main reason why we came here is for me to review or show a haul of the product I received. And this is for my skincare. This is supposed to help reduce your belly fat, and this is not a fat freezing machine. This is a slimming and beautifying machine. You need a gel to apply on your affected area. It is an ultrasound machine, and it will help reduce fat in your stomach or your problem area when you drink lots of water, you exercise, guys. So this is the first product I received, and it is definitely the same. I ordered a bathroom mat. This is the bathroom mat. This will be used in my bathroom. It's gray and cream, and the quality, it's actually not bad quality. I will give it a 7 out of 10. The stitching is just alright. So far, so good. I'll give that a 7 out of 10. I ordered another bathroom mat. This is what it looks like. And to be honest, I am not feeling this one because it's actually different from what I saw on their website. I'm not gonna lie, but first one, I'll give it 7 out of 10. Quality is okay. I also asked for a medium size gray gym top. I would say the quality is good, and so far I'll give it a 7 out of 10 as well. I ordered a strainer for my kitchen, and so far so good. So guys, with this, instead of using a clean foil to cover your food and put it in the fridge, you use this. It goes on, use an example, goes on like that, put your food in the fridge. So this is what I expected it to be because it's plastic rubber. So this is actually what I expected. I also bought this is a strainer, and you wash your rice in here. Usually when we wash our rice before cooking, we use our hand to gauge the rice and pour the water off. Instead of doing that, there are holes here. You just pour the water, then you can put your rice you want to put it. What else did I order from Temu? So this is a toilet roll holder, and it's marble. It's in gray. The quality of this is what I expected. It's really, really nice. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Last but not the least, this is for filing your feet, and the reviews on there was saying that ever since they got this, they've not gone to the nail salon to file their feet. It feels quality. Guys, you can get some really good stuff off Temu, you know. Wow, I'm impressed. This is really good quality. I'll give this a 5-star, and I'll also give this a 5-star on the website. So far, these two 5 stars. This looks quality as well, but I haven't used this. I don't know if it works or not. I will be reviewing this on my YouTube channel. I would do a special video about how to reduce reduce your belly fat, and I will demonstrate it, so check it out. Hope you viewers did enjoy my Temu review slash haul, and I'll see you viewers in my next video. Have a lovely evening, morning, afternoon, whichever country you're from. Stay blessed.